Hi there, Dr. Holly here, and today I'm going to talk about two exercises that we can do to help this area of our face. So a fun little fact that you might not have thought about before is that your face is the only area of your body where your skin is attached directly to muscle, which is what allows us to make expressions like smiling. What happens over time is the expressions that we make all the time tend to form lines on our face, and that's called functional wrinkles, and there's not a whole lot you can do about that unless you stop making facial expressions, which I don't recommend. But what also happens is the muscles in our face, they're small muscles, and just like the muscles in the rest of our body, if we don't exercise them, they will get smaller and looser over time. So one thing that happens to a lot of us as we get older is the corners of our mouths will tend to go down. We're not frowning, they're just go down. And the reason for that is there's a little muscle that runs from the corner of your mouth up into your cheek that's responsible for lifting the sides of your mouth. And we can help that muscle do its job with the following exercise. So take your index fingers and we want to isolate that muscle. So we're going to put our fingers here and then lift the corners of our mouth. That one takes a little practice, but it does work and it does keep that little downturn from happening. The other thing I want to talk about is actually right around the mouth. The muscle there is a circle, so it's one muscle that goes all the way around here. And if that starts to get smaller and looser, called atrophying, the mouth area can kind of look like it's collapsing in on itself. So what we can do is put your fingers here again to isolate that muscle and then pucker up like a fish. On the side. That was fun. That one takes a little practice. I was pretty surprised at how when I started doing that, how weak that muscle actually was. But it does get better with time, and I think you'll find that if you do these exercises every day, and you really do have to do them every day for them to work, you don't have to do them, 5 or 6 repetitions, plenty. If you can do it twice a day with your skincare routine, which is what I do, it's even better. You'll notice in a few weeks to a month, I think you'll notice a difference. I would love to hear from you or see a before and after picture if you'd like. I certainly find that they make a difference for me. So give them a try and let me know if you have any questions or any results. I would love to hear. Take care.